Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is new French Prime Minister appointed. Recently, Michel Barnier has been appointed as France's new Prime Minister by President Emmanuel Macron. Barnier replaces Gabriel Attal, marking the longest transition period between two prime ministers in France's Fifth Republic. The appointment comes after over 50 days following the conclusion of France's parliamentary elections. Barnier's appointment follows intense negotiations and the hung parliament result of the elections. Now let's discuss who is Michel Barnier. Michel Barnier is best known for being the EU's chief negotiator during the Brexit talks in 2016. Barnier has over 50 years of political experience, including roles as France's Foreign, Agriculture and Environment Minister. He belongs to the Republican Party and ran against Macron in the 2022 presidential elections. At 73 years old, he is now France's oldest Prime Minister under the Fifth Republic. Now, why did it take so long to appoint a PM? President Macron delayed appointing a new Prime Minister due to extensive negotiations with political forces and awaiting the end of the Paris Olympics in August. He rejected appointing a leftist PM despite pressure from the NFP, which proposed Lucie Castex as their candidate. Eventually, Macron consulted RN leader Marine Le Pen to build a consensus and ruled out leftist leadership in the new government. Now is the time for practice question. Who has been appointed as France's new Prime Minister? Gabriel Attal, Marine Le Pen, Michel Barnier or Lucie Castex? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.